Every star you see in the night sky may have planets orbiting it. From tiny rocky worlds to massive gas giants, planets are far more common than we once thought. But how exactly do planets form around stars? How does a tiny cloud of dust and gas become a complex solar system filled with worlds? Let's take a journey through space and time to discover the story of planet formation. When a star is born, it begins as a collapsing cloud of gas and dust, called a nebula. Gravity pulls this material together, causing the center to ignite into a glowing new star. But not all of the gas and dust falls into the star itself. Some of it flattens into a wide, spinning disk around the newborn star. This is called a protoplanetary disk, and it is in this disk that planets are born. Picture a bright young star surrounded by a shimmering, swirling disk of golden gas and tiny dust particles. Glowing in the darkness of space. Within this disk, tiny dust grains drift and collide. Some of these collisions are gentle, allowing the grains to stick together. Over time, these dust grains clump into small rocks. These rocks collide with other rocks, gradually forming larger and larger objects. Eventually, mountain-sized bodies called planetesimals emerge, drifting in the disk and continuing to collide and merge. As these planetesimals grow, gravity begins to play a larger role. Larger objects pull in more material, growing into protoplanets. Some of these protoplanets gather gas from the disk, eventually forming massive gas giants that dominate the outer regions of the system. Closer to the star, where it is hotter, rocky planets form, built from dense, heavy materials that can withstand the heat. This process is slow but steady. Over millions of years, collisions, mergers, and gravitational interactions sculpt the star system, creating a complex arrangement of planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. Planet formation is not an unusual event. It is the natural outcome of star formation, which means that planets, perhaps even ones similar to Earth, are likely scattered throughout the galaxy. The cosmos is probably teeming with worlds, some of them waiting to be discovered.